Hello kids, today we are going to learn fun shapes and beautiful colors. Let's draw and color them together. Purple color, orange color, green color, pink color, blue color, sky blue color. Look, I'm drawing a triangle. Triangle? Can you say triangle? Triangle? Now let's color it. Wow, it's orange. Orange triangle. Let's say it together. Orange triangle. Orange triangle. Now I'm drawing a heart. Heart. Can you say heart? Heart. Let's add some color. Wow, it's pink. Pink heart. Pink heart. Look at this beautiful star. Star? Can you say star? Star. Let's color it. Wow, it's sky blue. Sky blue star. Sky blue star. Now I'm drawing a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. Can you say quadrilateral? Quadrilateral. Let's color it. Amazing. It's purple. Purple quadrilateral. Purple quadrilateral. Look, a circle. Circle. Can you say circle? Circle. Let's color it. Wow, it's green. Green circle. Now I'm drawing a pentagon. Pentagon. Can you say pentagon? Pentagon. Let's color it. Wow, it's dark blue pentagon. Dark blue pentagon. Great job, kids. Let's remember what we learned today. Orange triangle, pink heart, sky, blue star, purple quadrilateral, green circle, dark blue pentagon. Thank you for learning shapes and colors with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more